Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about yourself?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, I can hear you.
Thank you so much to inviting me. You,
Yeah.
Jared.
Yep, I'm Jared.
Thank you so much.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm waiting to talking with you. This is Bangladesh. Now time is 2 a.m.
Yeah, no, I'm glad we could connect. I think it's going to be a good conversation, be a good opportunity to get to know you a little bit, understand your background, and what has you interested in the role.
Sure.
I'm happy to share a little bit about myself first and the company, and then I figure I can hand it over to you, and you can run me through your the skills and your background that you think are going to translate well for this role, and what has us connected today to talk. Sound good?
Yes, all is good. I'm listening you and
All right. All right, great. So my name is Jared, Jared Johnson. I am the finance leader and tech leader for our organization. So our main company is called Boundless Ventures LLC, and we are a real estate company located in Missouri, right in the middle of the United States. We have a heavy focus of real estate portfolio, about 37 total units or properties that we manage and own, and then a few which are traditional rentals, and then a few are short-term rentals. So a little bit more active management from that perspective. We are looking to fill a role as essentially our lead bookkeeper slash accountant slash AP person to help process and support both payments but transactions within our business. And we have seven legal entities at this point right now. So we have seven sets of books that this person will be responsible for. With our property management business being the one that has the majority of the transactions flowing through it, as far as uh, just general operations and collecting rents, and while the mortgage payments and all that pass through the individual asset companies that hold the real estate themselves. I am a CPA in the U.S. I do have another full time job on top of this, that I am currently the corporate controller for a organization here in the United States. It does about $100 million or so of revenue a year. And then, so looking for this position to really help augment my support of our business and being my right hand person as far as how the books are pulled together, reporting components, and supporting Ariel, who is the operations focused person in a financial reporting stature. So that's a little bit about me, the company, and what we're looking for. Why don't I hand it over to you to walk me through your background and what you think kind of layers up well within the scope of your experience and your skills.
So thank you so much. I am also happy to talk with you. So I can explain myself. I am a Hassan Mohammad Hamidur Rahman. I am a professional accounting, also masters in accounting, and QuickBooks and Zero expert. QuickBooks Online Zero Pro Advisor certified. I am also and working clients with USA, Canada, Australia also. This is my passion to work remote job, and I working also my local companies in different kinds of sector. I can also manage in different kinds of business. I think it will be opportunity to collaborate with you.
Okay. Do you have any experience with QuickBooks Desktop?
Desktop, I am a familiar with.
How is your skill with Excel?
I am also expert, Excel expert.
Okay. All right, that's helpful. So talk to me a little bit about. Tell me a little bit about what you do now currently in your bookkeeper and account. Like, give me some examples of how you're supporting your small and medium sized clients.
I can support you different kinds of sector like different kind of property manage.
Okay. No, that's super helpful. Are there any questions that I can help answer for you?
When you start real estate business?
We've been operating for almost 10 years for our accounting, and then we use rent buying for our property management. So RentBind is the tool that houses all of our ins and outs. Or not all of our ins and outs, all of our ins tied to rent collection. However, any expenses that are flowing through are in QuickBooks. So QuickBooks is our ultimate source of like our full scope of our P&L and all of those components. I am familiar with Desktop.
Okay. If you can you plan to future in QuickBooks online migration? You always try to.
No, it's too cost prohibitive because we have 7 business entities. So we have to have separate books for every single business entity from a legal liability perspective. And so I'd have to have 7 different user licenses whenever I talk to QuickBooks
that means
to accomplish it.
Use 7 entities using one desktop version.
I have 7 entities using QuickBooks Desktop.
Yes, online version is limitation because only one entity is one in QuickBooks Online using. So these are cost saving for you.
Yes.
So
yeah, it's more efficient.
So thank you for clear to me.
Okay. It's good to know. Yeah, so I host our QuickBooks files on OneDrive, and then you're able to access it through OneDrive effectively.
You can give me
on your local.
You can give me permission, and then I learning for your book, and you can also giving me your last financial report. You can give me mail and for learning.
Okay. I'll essentially evaluate all the conversations I have today. I host it on OneDrive, and so I'd give you access to OneDrive, and you'd be able to access it from your local PC. Oh, after 1 week. Yeah, no, I mean, I think you have an interesting background. You have some interesting exposure. That's all positive in nature. So I'll definitely circle back around with you and let you know what direction I plan on going from that perspective. Yeah, possibly. Well, and then I'll circle back around and I'll either send you a note tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow evening my time, or Monday my time on if we can set up time to build a relationship.
Sure.
All right. Well, I will be in touch. It was fantastic talking to you. I really appreciate you connecting with me at this time of day. And then we can circle back around and see if there's a good fit here or not.
I am so excited to work talking with you because you are CPA holder. I love CPA holder USA.
Well, fantastic talk with you too. I hope you have a wonderful evening.
Thank you so much. And hope your business also growing. Up.
Yes, absolutely.
I pray for you.
All right, sounds good. I appreciate you, man.
Okay, thank you so much.
You have a good one.
Thank you so much. See you soon.